Hello, and wherever you are, and welcome back to my brain friendly tools series. Today, we answer the question, can I use the ABC list also for creative work? And the answer is certainly yes, in any case. The ABC creative method is an innovative approach and aimed at tackling a wide array of problems through playful and creative lenses. Primarily by consulting the list, you can solve problems easily. So today we are going to look at a step-by-step guide to this specific procedure. Let's dive in.
ABC Creative is a variant of the ABC list. ABC Creative is about solving problems of all kinds in a playful and creative way. The core of this method is consulting existing lists that you create or have created yourself, but also lists that others offer you. Let's look at the procedure step by step. It is important to recognize the problem. It is best to write it down or specify it in writing. Best if you look for a keyword to describe the problem. Consult an existing ABC list. Take any ABC list and search for a term that begins with the first letter of a keyword related to the problem you are dealing with. For example, in one case, it was about a bottle washer, so they searched on the ABC list under the letters B and W. 90 seconds of spontaneous production of your first associations. You can create a new ABC list with your associations. It is best if you write down your words/associations while speaking half aloud. If you write down and speak at the same time, you don't need to slow down your flow of associations and don't have to worry about losing the associative thought. Think through each of the associations individually. There is now the possibility that a connection is created between the target topic and the selected word, which can creatively stimulate problem solving. The aim is to create a bisociation after Arthur Koestler, a combination of two previously unconnected ideas, concepts, or thoughts to generate a completely new one. If you were not able to find a solution in the first run, simply go back to step 2 and maybe define another keyword and make associations again. These 5 steps describe the general scheme, which can be broken in individual cases. Sometimes the saving idea comes as soon as the eye has fallen on a term in the first ABC list, so that steps 3 to 5 are no longer necessary. However, it also happens that you have to go through the cycle several times before the saving idea comes.
We encourage you to try it out, but please produce as many ABC lists as possible beforehand. This will give you an advantage to use this method successfully. And if you like this video, please do not forget to click like and subscribe, as there is much more to come.